So guys, welcome back once again. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So mark out this level here, 5181.859. I quickly wanna like grade out these uh grade this event horizon. Remember I said event horizon is um the midpoint of two draws, two draws of liquidity. Okay, so so we said 51 81 5181.640 5181.640. So 5181.640 5181.640 5181.640 5181.640. I also want to do it up here 5206.265 5206.265 5206.265 5206. Damn. Um, I think I got it right. 5206.265. I got it right. I got it right. Damn. So that is the midpoint between these two 3D arrays. So that is supposed to be pointed out because it's gonna be used as a level and it's used here. Damn, you can see how the price is using those levels here. So for your first thing is to create a narrative that we are going to deliver lower, and after that you're gonna wanna look you're gonna wanna look for the for affirmations and decisions that will lead to you delivering lower. Okay. Um, something beautiful I want to talk about here. Okay. Um, something beautiful. Just sit down. This I'll just land that this from ICT. Do you see we rated this liquidity here? See that minor buy side liquidity? This one here? We rated that. That's called a turtle soup. That's called a turtle soup. Damn. Oh my god. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Um a turtle soup is like a liquidity raid, and then price is gonna wanna switch its delivery. So we have this mother order block here. Um, it's an order block. So um, the inner circle trader was talking about you knowing when to use these order blocks, because so many people out there are talking about order blocks, and they're talking about breaker blocks, and they're talking about how you're gonna use these valid PD arrays, but they don't really understand what they are doing. You see here, we are using levels. First thing, levels. This is a level. See this here? After this rate, price comes here, doesn't wanna deliver higher. Remember, this is the consequent encroachment. Um, you have this 1 hour CB here. See that there? So we already have a lot of confirmations to get into these trades and just rip everything off and become profitable. Is here. I'm having this level here. I don't know if you know what this is. This is in the PM session, okay? This is in the PM session where Price is creating this funny story here. This here, volume imbalance. This here, there's no volume imbalance, so you have to include this here. Why? Look at that close, 5203.60, and I mean open 5215.75. That open, it's here, is here, right at the upper right. 5 to 15.75. This close, this close here, 5 to 15.865. So we have a volume imbalance there. We have this here. It's close. Remember what we're doing. Close 5227.575 and open 5227.570. We have a slight volume imbalance there. Okay, so we want to include that candle and top of that candle, and we're gonna use that to our advantage. That's a propulsion block. It has a volume imbalances on both sides of the candlestick, creating the FVG, in this case, the sell side imbalance. So we have that there. This entry here, this is in the PM. Now this is where I tell you when gold decides to deliver through the PM, the through the night, that's the Asian session. Okay, that's the Asian session. Um, we can see this delivery here. Beautiful. Do you see that there? A raid, order block. We switch. What time is that? Talking about time. 9:15 in the PM. So if you have these let's say if you have all of these PDRs pointed out, and then you all of these things are working out and they are building up together, you're gonna get entries, and it's gonna be beautiful because we are not gonna fall. So you could have entered here and risk you stop just above that candlestick hit there. But price doesn't wanna. Do you see how candlesticks are using these? Only reaping just above that, reaping in the consequent encroachment of this profession block, the blue. Remember, this in red here is the one our CB there. You only need these time frames. You don't need so much. You don't need that. Okay. So we see price using this event horizon here. That's in the New York session on Wednesday. If you don't know these here, if you don't know about these levels here, be sure that you cannot enter this trade because you're gonna be fucked up. You're gonna be fucked up. Trust me. You're gonna be fucked because you're not gonna find reasons for you to enter the trades. Okay. So I have a reason here. Level 0.5 level here. The event horizon uses that, delivers lower, and just closes below this body means I'm gonna be interested in this candlestick here. I wanna see how it closes. Uses these here to deliver lower. We have these here. I'll point out these here. We have that one there. And eventually you see how price is building up to these areas. So here we have this liquidity here. Minor buy side. Came for it after taking out this here. Came for it, and this price delivery here, beautiful. Do you see how these PD arrays are sitting on top of each other? So you have these here. On a random 9 a.m. after raiding this liquidity here, and it looks like a joke to you, but until you understand that the markets are ruthless, oh, it's gonna be over for you. It's gonna be over for you. Might wanna not extend now. Don't wanna extend. There's been too many extensions. So what I wanna use is these ones here that look like that. See that on a random 9 a.m. on Thursday. I think we're gonna buy gold gold is gonna gold is gonna go to fuck you. Fuck you and your gold, bro. Fuck you. You see how prices is that level? We have all of these levels here piling up, and then you don't even understand what you want to do with these all of these levels. Do you see these here? And by the way, listen, if you are choosing your fair value gaps and you are choosing your other blocks just at random times and at random areas, you're fucked up. You're supposed to choose those PD arrays that are on these levels. See these levels? That means you're not guessing. That means you're and I have not did this is new. What I'm doing right here, this is new, and I'm I'm gonna continue putting too much on emphasis on these PD arrays until you understand what's happening. Okay, so we have this right here by side rate, um only to be on the left. We have a buy side rate. And what did it use? This level here, 0.625. These levels are so important. So important. And if you understand that, you're gonna be crazily in love with this thing. Okay. Oh, everything that you think that you know about the market is a lie. Look at that. This is a bearish order block. How many confirmations do we have? How many confirmations do you have? Just look at that. How many confirmations do we have? The 4 hour candlesticks closing here. Understand that? Remember that? Here? How many? Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Sucker. I feel like uh I'm gonna explode. 4 hour closing there. Okay? This 4 hour closing just right below the high of that. So that's the first PD array that has been respected. Okay? We go to the 1 hour time frame. We're building up the trade on Thursday. Okay? How we will have traded on Thursday. We have goddamn forgive me for that. We go to the 15-minute time frame. So we are building up the trade on Thursday. Okay, we have these here. Okay, on a random place, just random. Probably that's random. We have um here. Just wait a minute. I'm using a laptop and it's so hard to navigate because I don't have a mouse. I'm using the mouse that is built in that laptop. There. So we have this red here. That's a turtle soup using this 0.625 level, 5190.874. Then remember here we're talking about price. Price. From now on, when we are analyzing anything from